Factoring algebraic expressions. Factorizing is the process of writing an expression as a product of its factors. So we can say that factorizing is the opposite process of expanding brackets. With one example, the explanation becomes easier. Take a look. When we expand an expression, we remove its brackets. When we factorize an expression, we insert brackets. Now let's see how to factorize an algebraic expression. 15x plus 10. To factorize an algebraic expression, we need to find the highest common factor of the terms. Write the terms as a product of prime numbers and variables. The highest common factor of the terms will be the product of common prime numbers and common variables raised to the least exponent. In this example, the only common factor is 5. Write the highest common factor outside the brackets and the algebraic expression inside the brackets. Divide each of the terms of the expression by highest common factor. Simplify now, and we get the factorized form of the algebraic expression. You could expand the bracket to check the answer if you want to. Another example. Find the highest common factor of the terms. Write the highest common factor outside the brackets and the algebraic expression inside the brackets. Divide each of the terms of the expression by highest common factor. Simplify now and get the factorized form of the algebraic expression. Another example. Find the highest common factor of the terms. Write the highest common factor outside the brackets and the algebraic expression inside the brackets. Divide each of the terms of the expression by highest common factor. Simplify and get the factorized form of the algebraic expression. In this example, we will make the same as we made before. At the first sight, this expression may seem different from what we have done before, but really it's not. In this expression we have two terms, and in each of these terms we have a factor x minus y that is made up of terms. The factorization process works just the same for this expression as it did for every other expression before. In my opinion, it's even easier. The only common factor is x minus y. This expression is almost the same as the previous case, but not quite. because the x minus 2 factor in the first term is not quite the same as the 2 minus x in the second term, but they are almost the same. Take a look below. 7 minus 4 is 3. But what happens if we reverse the subtraction? As a result, we got the same answer, except that the sign changed. When you flip a subtraction, you also flip the sign out front to get the same answer. In short, when reversing a subtraction, put brackets around the new subtraction with a minus sign out front. Let's go back to expression above. Rewrite the expression flipping the subtraction. Now we can proceed as we had in the previous example.